Hi, freshmen and sophomores. This is Mrs. Tucker with an update to your Avid planner. I realized that although we went through the planners and we discussed them, I didn't really clarify your requirements as far as the planner. So what I'm going to do is show you what is expected if you are a freshman and sophomore, and this will not go into effect till Monday, so you won't lose any points for any check or anything prior to Monday. But starting on Monday, when we return to school on the 28th, you're going to expect to do this. I'm going to show you how to fill out your planner 2 different ways, and then you can ask questions if you need to. So as a freshman and sophomore, we want you to get more practice actually completing and writing in details with your planner. So for each day, what I'm going to need you to do, so you're going to notice I'm going to put together a schedule. So maybe I have Avid first period, second period I have world geography, third period I have PE, fourth period I have English, fifth period I have biology, sixth period I have floral design, and then 7th period, I have, what would be next? Algebra 1. All right, so I'm going to have my schedule. You do not necessarily have to write your schedule, but this is what I need you to put instead. So where it says Avid, I need you to put in there what you actually did in class. So for the last few days, we've been working on focus notes, right? So you get to write focus notes. In world geography, if you guys worked on map routes, you can type in, but make sure you spell it correctly, map routes. PE, again, I know that's a different kind of class, but maybe you guys are learning the rules to volleyball. In English, together as a group, you are reading a novel. Okay, in biology, you're going over cell parts. Okay, floral design, arrangement, like so let's say we're doing the color wheel. Algebra 1, we took notes on fractions. So notice, guys, what I'm doing is, so for each day I went in and I took the class out. I was just showing you how I was doing it. So for each class, I'm writing 2 to 3 words to tell you what you did in class that day. So I'm going to expect to see 7 class periods, and then you put a brief description. Now notice on this last one where it says notes, I didn't just write notes, I put notes on fractions. So you have to give me enough of a detail. Then where I skipped a line, if I have homework, I'm going to write homework, revise notes, okay? Maybe we had no homework in second period, no homework in PE, homework, read chapters 4 through 7, nothing in biology, nothing in floral design, and then for homework I have problems 1 through 10, or I could say maybe I have a worksheet. Okay, so notice here, this is what I want you to do. Now I'm putting the X. The reason I'm putting the X is because I don't want to go home and then wonder if I forgot to put homework. If I have an X, then I know for sure I don't have homework. So I need a brief description of what you did. I need to know if you have homework. And keep in mind, guys, homework is not just when the teacher says, oh, you have homework tonight. Homework could be revising notes, reviewing my notes. It could be making sure if I have a project due for 2 weeks that tonight I'd like to do at least one small part of my project. So you want to make sure you do that. So you should do this Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. Now, since you guys are digital students, I did say that you could actually use your calendar online. So you're going to do something similar. Now, although just so you know, this is broken down more by hour, you could go in, and what you would do is, so again, Avid is first period, and then you can put focus notes, Okay. And then so notice it pops up here, and then if I need to, I can go in, I can edit it. It says focus notes, no homework. I click save, and so notice when it pops up, Avid focus notes, no homework. Then the next day, which it was actually went to 8:30, so let's there. And then so we have world geography, and we said maps of countries. Homework, complete, maps, map, all right? So notice there, now it pops up. So what I'm doing instead of the actual time period, so we start class at 7:20 here. You guys can start at different times, but notice I have a first period, a second period, a third period. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that for each day. Now you would of course do that on Monday, and then notice it says focus notes, no homework, maps of countries, homework, complete maps. And guys, when you're looking at this, the idea is when I start my homework for the night, I should open my planner and I go, all right, so I have homework in first period, I have homework in fourth period, I have homework in seventh period. Which one do I want to do first? Which one's going to be easier? Which is going to take me more time? So again, this is what your planner needs to start looking like starting on Monday, the 28th. When we do a planner check, this is what I'm going to look for. The next thing that I'm going to update you in about another week is using SMART goals and also a priority list, but you don't have to do that just yet. All right, guys, I hope that helps. And let me know if you need anything or if you have questions. Thank you.